Hey, bud, what are you doing with my shoes? What are you, hey, what are you doing with my shoes? Can I have my shoes back? Can I please have my shoes back? Can I have my shoe back? Sammy. If you didn't guys know, this is Sammy. He likes my shoes. Can I have it back, please? No. Can I have my shoe? Please. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to Stern Productions. That's YouTube channel, and leave a like if you like the video, and tell him to give me back my shoe. 1 like is 1 shoe for Shia. Sammy not eating my shoes. Okay, give me my shoe back. No, my shoe. No, that's my other shoe. Hey, can I have my shoe back? Can I have it? No. No. Okay, you gotta get it. Give it back. Larry, give me my shoe back. Sammy, give me my shoe back. That's Larry right there. Sammy, no stealing people's shoes. Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video. Please subscribe, and if you really like the videos, leave a like. Our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers.